Did you know that in 2026, over 1 billion people every single week are getting their answers from AI instead of clicking blue links?
That's right, the way we search the internet has completely changed.
And if you still think Google is the only game in town, you are in for a massive surprise. Let's dive into 5 mind-blowing facts about AI search engines in 2026. Subscribe CTA1. Before we start, smash that subscribe button if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Welcome to 2026. The search landscape has been turned upside down. Google still holds about 80% of global search queries, but here's the thing, for the first time ever, AI-powered platforms are eating into that dominance. ChatGPT Search alone processes between 250 and 500 million queries every single week. Perplexity is doing about 50 million.
And the AI search market is now valued at over $43 billion. But these numbers only tell part of the story.
The real story is how we find information has fundamentally changed, and it's not going back. Remember when you'd type a question into Google and get 10 blue links? You'd click around, open 5 tabs, skim 3 articles, and eventually piece together an answer. That era is dying. In 2026, about 35% of informational queries show an AI overview right at the top of Google's results. And here's the scary part for website owners: if your page appears below an AI overview, your click-through rate drops by up to 50%. That's massive. Google's own AI mode now has over 200 million monthly active users. The search results page has become the answer itself, no clicking required. But this creates a huge problem. Who creates the content if nobody visits the websites? Let's talk about the elephant in the room. ChatGPT has grown from a chatbot into a full-blown search engine. With over 700 million weekly active users, it's now the second most popular way people find information online. 82% of ChatGPT search answers result in 0 clicks, meaning the user gets their answer without ever leaving the chat. That's devastating for traditional publishers. But here's the twist: ChatGPT heavily favors Wikipedia in its citations, citing it between 7 and 27% of the time. And the platforms that optimize for AI citation are seeing huge traffic gains. The secret? Structure your content with clear, direct answers in the first 2 sentences. That's what AI search engines love to cite. While ChatGPT dominates in volume, Perplexity has carved out a reputation as the most citation-friendly AI search engine. Growing 243% year-over-year, Perplexity now serves about 50 million weekly queries. But here's what makes it different: it cites 4 to 6 sources per answer, more than double what ChatGPT shows. And the click-through rate on those citations is 18 to 22%, which is significantly higher than Google's AI overviews. Perplexity also prioritizes content published in the last 24 hours, making it the go-to for breaking news. If you're a content creator, getting cited by Perplexity is now a legitimate traffic strategy. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to talk about. Across all AI search platforms, the 0-click rate averages over 80%. That means 4 out of every 5 searches end with the AI providing the answer, and the original source gets nothing. No traffic. No ad revenue. No engagement. Informational query traffic to content sites has dropped 15 to 30%. Meanwhile, Reddit and Wikipedia have become the most cited sources across every major AI platform, collectively accounting for over 66% of all AI citations. The web is being restructured around AI-friendly content. And websites that don't adapt are literally disappearing from the information ecosystem. So where are we headed? The AI search market is projected to capture over 62% of total search by 2030. AI platforms already drive over 1.1 billion referral visits per month, a 357% increase from 2024. Google is racing to integrate AI deeper into every search, and Microsoft's Copilot is embedding AI search into the workplace with over 70% of Fortune 500 companies using it. By 2028, analysts predict that more than 75% of Google searches will include AI summaries. We are witnessing the single biggest transformation in how humanity accesses information since the invention of the web browser. Subscribe CTA2. If this blew your mind, wait until you see what's coming next month. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We cover the AI revolution every single week. So here's what you need to know. AI search isn't coming, it's already here. ChatGPT and Perplexity are reshaping how billions of people find information. The old SEO playbook is dead. Content needs to be structured for AI extraction, not just human reading. And the biggest winners in this new landscape will be the creators who adapt early. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who uses the internet, this affects you. The blue link era is ending. The age of AI-powered answers has begun. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe CTA3, thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing AI insights every week. And check out our last video on AI agents taking over the enterprise, it's linked right here.